Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at dividend investing. I'm making a buy of my dividend investing stock. So my thesis here is you invest $100 a month for 40 years and you become a millionaire. Based on my stock compounding video that I've done, go search that out and take a look. But we're going to see here now, we're looking at new tech today. All right, a little bit of a diversity. So the PE is really awesome. PE of 10.5, awesome value. Dividend yield 6.154%, good deal. It's not near its high, so that's good. And it's not really near the low, but it is much low. It couldn't go much lower. You can see it's recovering from the big crash that happened last year. So earnings are expected to keep increasing back to where they were. So that is good. Okay, so we're looking pretty good. I like it. All right, you can see they are business services. That's what they focus on. I've been doing a lot of oil and gas recently, so I'm going to try to diversify out of that just a little bit with this stock. So I want to go trade, buy $100. I know I'm not getting very many shares, but that's okay. I can always add more later. And done. I'm not going to do automatic investing on this one. So let's go review the portfolio I've got. Remember, be sure to stay tuned and subscribe for more wealth building techniques and passive income. This is the way to build long-term wealth. Alright, you can see what we have. Most of these are doing pretty good. You can see a lot of oil and gas. AT&T, I've been building my position. It's good. So, in order to build the passive income, just keep acquiring these stocks for dividend investing at a good value. And over time, the stock will go up, dividends will go up, and you get paid. It's a pretty good deal. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe for more wealth building techniques and dividend investing and passive income and how to do that. Thanks for watching.